Hi Contrasters, I'm Simon. In this lesson, we'll be doing a fresh installation of TeamServer on a Linux box. TeamServer is the central component and provides a single view to analyze application vulnerabilities, discover vulnerable and out-of-date third-party libraries, and detect attacks. We also provide visibility into various environments to see how an application's hidden risks are being handled through the development lifecycle. As you'll see, installing TeamServer is very quick and we'll have it up and running in no time. TeamServer is comprised of three modules: the TeamServer web application itself, a Tomcat instance to deploy TeamServer on, and a MySQL database to store all of TeamServer's information. While it is possible to use your own Tomcat and MySQL instances, the installer can take care of both of these for you and configure all three components. While I'll be installing TeamServer on a Linux box today, we do also offer a Windows version if that's more suitable for your environment. If you're going to install TeamServer on a VM, such as I will be doing today, there's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure that the VM has sufficient RAM and disk space. Depending on how many agents you plan to deploy, we'll need to store quite a bit of information, and that will take up some room. As a general guideline, if you plan to have 1 to 3 agents, make sure you have 4 GB of RAM and up to 30 GB of space available. If you plan to have around 30 agents, please make sure you have between 8 to 12 GB of RAM and between 50 to 100 GB of space. We probably won't use that much space, but it is better to be on the safe side.